Hello everybody. Let's have a look what we got here. We got the sound sensor, sounds simple, with a Wemos D1 I have plugged the output on the A0, which is analog 0 pin of the A266. Okay. The idea of this is not to use an OLED screen or an LCD screen or any other screen, but to use what we call it, to use a web server. So instead of using the screen, we have more opportunity here to, as you can see, it's in a big format. So you can do 3D, you can do different type of particle, underwater particle in the air with transporting sounds. You can also put this on a cellular phone and use it as a screen, which might probably be more interesting. So there we are. This is the code. Okay, so it's simple. The code, it's your library, the ESP8266 Wi-Fi, the web server, and the WebSocket server. Okay, here you use your network name and your password. All right, I choose port 80 server WebSocket 81. Sensor pin is A0, so I don't need to do any fritzing here. Okay, there is the code, and here is a JavaScript code. Okay, just to represent that on here while I'm talking. Okay, now we can talk again. I set it up very sensitive, but you can make it, not less sensitive, adjusting practically. It's, let me show you. It's, this is a pot. Should be like this. This is a potentiometer that you can adjust it, okay? So that's about it. So as you can see, I'm gonna try see if it works on a cellular phone. So give me 2 seconds. Okay. Okay, so it's 192.168.0.69. Go. Sorry, my cellular phone. This is another cellular phone that I got, and it's broken. But you can use it. Okay, don't worry about it. My screen is cracked. I mean, I just want to show how it works on a cellular phone. I can't use my cellular phone because the big one is the one that I'm using now to adjust to take the video. So I've got an older one which is cracked. Not a problem. But look how it works. It works perfectly well. Yeah. So there we are. And if we stop chatting, So it might pick up a bit of interference compared to the computer, obviously. But there you are. It's got a bit of delay on the cellular phone. You can see, see now, I stopped it. Now it's coming back. So there is a delay. The computer seems to be much, well, I don't know why there is a delay, because there is other interference. But that's not a problem, depending on what kind of cellular phone you have and how you use it. Okay, this is just to show you how it can be done just using sound. And yeah, okay. So going back to the cellular, putting it back on the PC. One 168. Okay, so that's where it works, and I can tell you that on the cellular phone it's a bit slow, but on the computer it's faster because it's connected via USB. It's on the computer, although it works on a server. But I think it is faster, also because the computer has more memory. So, and a small, the cellular phone might take a bit of time. Okay, guys, so there we are. This is another experiment. I don't know if you like it, but if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, have a fantastic Sunday. Thank you, bye.